Hello everyone, my name is Tulip and today I will be doing Nokia ringtone. It can go on and on, but enough for now. Please like, share and subscribe.